Segra Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Segra. Links to their products are available in the description below. Segra is a major provider of high-speed fiber internet, cloud and managed IT services, mainly focused on business clients. They cater to a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, education and government, offering a suite of scalable solutions for companies of all sizes. One of the key features of Segra is their robust fiber optic internet service, which delivers high-speed, low-latency connections ideal for businesses relying on real-time applications, video conferencing, and cloud services. Segra's fiber networks cover a wide region, particularly in the Southeast and Mid-Atlantic United States, providing businesses with the reliability they need for mission-critical operations. They also offer Ethernet services, which are perfect for companies that require secure, private and dedicated bandwidth. Segra's managed services stand out as another major strength. They provide IT support, cloud solutions and managed security, all designed to help businesses streamline operations, reduce overhead and improve performance. Their SD-WAN services allow companies to optimize network traffic, ensuring faster, more reliable connectivity across distributed locations. For businesses looking for a comprehensive IT solution, Segra's all-in-one package can be a significant advantage. However, Segra's offerings aren't perfect for everyone. Smaller businesses or startups with limited budgets may find their pricing a bit on the higher side. While Segra's fiber network is extensive, it may not yet cover all rural or remote areas, which could be a limitation for certain businesses. Additionally, while their customer support is solid, response times may vary depending on the service level agreement. In conclusion, Segra is a strong choice for businesses in need of high-performance internet, cloud, and IT services. Their fiber internet and managed solutions are ideal for companies that require reliable, secure, and scalable options. While their pricing might be higher than some competitors and coverage may not reach every area, Segra's reliability and performance make it a top contender for business customers. For more details, be sure to check out the links in the description below.